Turkey captured wife of Baghdadi, Erdogan announces. Dilemma of Daesh. Caliphate claims persist after Baghdadi's death. Regime and Russian raids kill 8 civilians in Syria's Idlib. Turkey's refugee policies set example for world. Jordan, tourist injured in stabbing attack. Death toll from Iraqi protest claims to 254 UN. Yemen's deal to promote Saudi occupation there, Iran. Yemeni government and separatist council signs Riyadh deal. EU welcomes Riyadh deal for Yemen peace. Libya, 3 killed in Iraq strike by Haftar forces. Assailants kill 15 in Muslim majority southern Thailand. Bangladesh rejects amnesty report on Rohingya killings.